Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Elementor container. Elementor containers are a significant upgrade, replacing the older section and column system. They bring enhanced performance and much greater flexibility to your page designs. By leveraging Flexbox technology, containers provide powerful control over content alignment and distribution. This modern approach makes building complex layouts simpler and more intuitive, especially when adapting your site for various screen sizes. You will find your workflow becomes much more efficient. To begin, simply drag and drop a new container widget from the Elementor panel directly onto your canvas. You will then have the option to select a single container or a predefined multiple column layout, giving you a quick start. Within the Layout tab, you can easily adjust the container's width and height to fit your design needs. Remember to set a minimum height, perhaps 200 pixels, to ensure your content has adequate space and is always visible, even when empty. Flexbox properties are at the heart of container design. You can control the direction of your items, arranging them in a row or stacking them in a column. Easily align items horizontally and vertically, ensuring perfect placement within your container. Use the Justify content options to distribute space evenly, perhaps around or between your elements. Furthermore, you can precisely adjust the gap between elements, setting it to 20 pixels for example, to achieve your desired visual spacing and harmony. One of the greatest advantages of Elementor containers is their inherent responsiveness. They adapt seamlessly across various device breakpoints, from desktop to mobile. You can easily adjust individual container settings specifically for tablet and mobile views, ensuring your design looks perfect everywhere. Utilize the wrap option to stack items gracefully on smaller screens, preventing overflow. Additionally, you have the power to hide or show entire containers based on specific device types, offering complete control over your site's appearance on every platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.